Hey guys, this is Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport from Guarantee RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2019, this is a 25 WQB work and play. This all new in design. What I like about this one, there's no slide, it's a lightweight. If you look over here on the side, you can put 3,365 pounds in this. A lot of capacity. Up front here you can put 2 batteries. This has the smart jack with the levelers. Plug in for solar, you got your disconnect up front, the front cap with the all new smart arm with the wind, with the awning. New steps here, the solid step. The new work and plays have Asdale. Come on inside here. A lot of room for a non-slide. You can put it side by side in here. Double beds in the back with the patio that goes off the back. This one has the fan above. All your ACs through the top. Comes with their chairs. Lots of clearance. This has a 2-burner here with lots of cabinets. Convection. You go over here, you got a little speaker setup. Nice TV in here. Come through here. This has a fan above, the rain sensor on it. It's got all the AC. Come through to the bedroom. This one has the walk around bed. You got plugs, things for your phones, everything on the side. You got AC up here and another fan. Lots of storage back here. And if you have any other questions, my number's on the screen there. You can call me on my cell phone at 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.